y'all, it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video for you. I just got in my BoxyCharm regular box, and I love getting BoxyCharm. Now, I pay for these myself. This one is $25 a month, and you typically get, I think, 5 to 7 full-size beauty products in this. And I like it because I can try some things that I typically wouldn't spend the money on, especially on skincare and stuff like that. And it gives me a chance to try some new brands that I may have never heard of. So this is what it looks like. I've cut the tape, but I have not opened her up yet. So let's go ahead and open it up. So that's what it looks like on the inside. And it comes with a little card that tells you what it is, like the price of the item and what the theme is. So this month's theme is Sunshine. So the first thing I see is a quick color switch by Lavish. So this retails for $17. I actually have one by Vera Mona that I bought from Sephora, which the texture on this feels a little bit different than the one I bought from Sephora. So I'll probably give this one to Nadia because, as I said, I already have one and it still works and there's no point in replacing it. But that is a cool thing to have, especially if you don't use the same eyeshadow colors all the time, which is me. Being able to switch between colors quite a bit without having to wash your brush is helpful. So these are nice. Next up, I got the Creme Shop Toasty Cushion Bronzer. So this retails for $20. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. It says this cushion bronzer shading cream turns up the heat to create a warm, sultry glow, the ideal product to create the perfect contour. Well, there's a difference between contour and bronzer. So let's see what this looks like. I'm not a big fan of the packaging because even though it doesn't look bad, it does feel kind of cheap, but we'll dip in a little spongy. Well, that doesn't do much on me, but that might work for Nadia because she's a lot paler. I mean, it's a nice warm color, it's just that ain't gonna show up on my skin. And that is in the shade Toasty 1, so that's part of it, is it's just too light. But Nadia might like that, so there's another thing for her. Next up is the 111 Skin by Holly Street London. It's an NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. And this MSRP for $135. Now I would never pay that, but you know, if it's any good. And it says a daily booster to fortify your skin against harmful aggressors of digital age. The unique booster shields against physical blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. It looks like this. So it's supposed to help from the blue lights that come off screens. That's not something I don't think I would ever use for skincare, but you know, we'll try it. It's kind of neat that it's in there, but I would never pay for it. I mean, like, that's not something, like, I use sunscreen and all that kind of stuff. Another thing added just for blue light, I'm not sure if the blue light actually affects your skin aging at this point. So, not really something I would pay for. Next up is an Hourglass product. I love Hourglass. This is the Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, and this is in the shade Warm Blonde. We'll see how that goes. And this is MSRP's for $28. I love Hourglass products. I have never bought any of their eyebrow products because $28 for an eyebrow pencil seems like a lot. I love the size of the spoolie on the end. A lot of times I feel like spoolies can be a little big. Let's check the color. And typically I pull a little bit more ashy. Actually, that is not a bad color. That definitely doesn't pull warm to me. That looks a little bit more cool toned, which I think will go well with my brows because my brows are a little bit more ashy. So I'm excited for that. Definitely. And then last but not least is the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. And this retails for $36. And I love some of Pure eyeshadow, but some of it is not my favorite. So, I mean, there's some products that I love and some products that I don't. The packaging is super cute. Oh, that's not bad. I like that color scheme. I'm really into this shade right here called Turn It Up. Let's swatch that. Oh, that's not a bad color. Swatched good. We'll have to play with that. Now, there's more colors in the shimmers than there are in the mattes. That Dreamland shade. Oh, look. Awesome. We'll see how this goes. Now, the Fantasy World color is a shimmer, but it's not a super shimmer. But I do like that color too. It's very warm purple. So I have to play with this and see what we think. I'm excited for that. So, out of everything that I got, 2 of the things are gonna go to Nadia, the color switch and the bronzer. I'm gonna hold on to the eyeshadow palette and the brow pencil, and I will try out the 111 Skin product, but this I can already tell you is not something that I would purchase. But, all in all, I think it was a good box. There are certain things in here that I'm going to love, and I'm excited to try. So, I guess that's it for today's video. Don't forget to check me out on all my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all on Friday for a new video.